Alrighty, we're going to turn now over to weather. As you just saw, it's a storm alert weather day. Here's Alison Pryor to explain why. Good morning, Alison.
Good morning, Michelle. So when I pop up this 7-day, you're going to see that I have red boxes around both today and tomorrow. And really it's because the time period we want you to focus on is what's happening tonight. So here's the severe outlook for the day today and tonight. And I have the time written on here for what we can expect for our area. So about 11 p.m. until 5 a.m. is going to be that risk time zone. You'll notice from Nashville back to Memphis into Arkansas, they're all under that level 2, that gold color. Now, as I zoom into our area, we're kind of split up right across our county line. So if you were for I-75 down generally to I-59 in Alabama and eastward, you're in that pale green, which means general thunderstorms, because as the system moves eastward, it will be weakening. Chattanooga, though, the direct metro area, Hamilton County up to Pikeville, Dunlap, Jackson County in Alabama, we're in this narrow band of that level 1 marginal risk. Grundy County to the west, western portions of Van Buren County, you're at that level 2 risk. So I want to kind of point out how narrow this is. So that means we could see this definitely changing through the day today for tonight. It really depends on how quickly that system's going to be weakening. So I want to go ahead and say, everybody, be storm alert for the night tonight, but especially if you're west of I-75 and I-59, something you want to kind of have your ears perk up for. So what are we concerned about? Well, number one, we're concerned about that damaging wind threat. So those isolated damaging wind gusts. Remember yesterday that weekend weather trivia question talking about that wind speed, so 58 miles per hour or higher. That's going to be that severe level wind speed. Also, unfortunately, it's not zero, but there is a low-level threat that we could have an isolated tornado as well. So with this happening at nighttime, you need to make sure that you have ways to get your weather alerts on your phone, especially if you live in Grundy County. So right now, it's pretty quiet. We're just dealing with that cloud cover. Remember, very mild temperatures to start the day, on average right around that 60-degree mark. There's a couple of little showers there in Alabama. They're going to be tracking up into our counties as well over the next few hours. But bigger picture pulling out, you can see more of a system to the west. Remember, what you're seeing right now in northwestern portions of Tennessee, that's going to track off to the northeast, not impact us. But as that cold front further to the west gets closer to our area, that's when we're going to have more showers and storms developing. So what can you expect for during the day today? Generally dealing with those cloudy skies, sometimes mostly cloudy, just a stray light shower here and there. I have those shower chances at about 30%. As we head into the afternoon, we could get a few of those popping up, maybe some rumbles of thunder, and we'll have that increasing wind coming out of the south. So it is going to get gusty today at times, about 20 to 30 miles per hour, especially in the higher elevations. So if you're going to be out today, I would say maybe have that raincoat with you just in case. Like we saw yesterday, there are going to be some scattered showers on and off. Unlike yesterday, it's really going to be across the entire area, that possibility. This is Sunday at 10 p.m. You'll notice still not really seeing any activity. I had that start time at 11 p.m. in case we get some storms developing ahead of the front, but mainly we're looking at about 12:30 for our western counties, that initial line, even down into Georgia, some storms popping up across our region. This is going to be some heavy rainfall, gusty wind, especially with that leading edge of the system. It's going to continue to push through, hitting about the Chattanooga, Cleveland, Athens, Dalton area around about 2 a.m. As it moves eastward, it will be weakening, but again, leaving that time in until about 5 a.m. for our eastern counties. Behind that, there's still more rain to come. It's just you're not going to have to worry about those storminess. So even for your morning commute on Monday, 7, 8, 9 a.m., we'll still be dealing with that light to moderate rainfall, that moderate indicated by that yellow color. As we go through the day on Monday, showers will be tapering off, mainly just seeing some light showers through the day on Monday for our southern counties in Georgia and Alabama, and then clearing up Monday night into Tuesday morning. Tuesday afternoon, though, especially, we're going to start to see more showers lifting up for Georgia and Alabama and then slowly move into the Tennessee area. So total rainfall, I have this paused on Monday at 9 a.m. Rain totals have been going down, so that is some good news, but we do have more flood watches that I'll be telling you about in the next half hour. On average, about 3/4 of an inch to an inch and a half, but I certainly think with some of those stronger storms, we could get isolated pockets of about 2 inches. I'm going to run through the rest of the day on Monday. Remember, there's just some light showers during the day. You'll notice not much of a changeover as far as the additional rainfall on Monday. So here's your planner today. Pretty dry during the day. That cloud cover is going to be with us. Look at these warm temperatures, 75 degrees at 3 o'clock. So certainly well above what is normal for the day today. Again, on that 7-day, I have those storm alerts on both today and tomorrow, but that's really because we want you to focus on tonight with that activity happening. Storm potential, that heavy rain as well. Make sure you can download the WRCB weather app, have those weather notifications turned on. Monday, that high of 67 will be happening at midnight. Daytime temperatures in the 50s on Monday.